Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to copy a chat wallpaper link on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been looking to personalize your chat background and share your wallpaper with others, this guide will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice the three horizontal lines, which open the main menu. Click on them to access all of Telegram's settings and options. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you control most of the customization features inside Telegram. When you're inside Settings, look for the option labeled Chat Settings. Go ahead and click into it, since this is where you'll be able to change wallpapers and other visual preferences. Inside Chat Settings, you'll find a variety of options to make your chats look the way you want. To update your chat background, click on Choose from Gallery. This will open up Telegram's wallpaper collection, giving you plenty of choices to customize your chat experience. Now, take your time browsing the gallery and select the wallpaper you like. Once you've clicked to apply it, you'll see the preview right away. What's new in this update is that you can now share a wallpaper link directly with others. To do this, look toward the options available after you've chosen your wallpaper and select Share. By clicking Share, Telegram generates a unique wallpaper link. This link can be copied and sent to friends, so they can apply the exact same background in their own chats. It's a quick way to keep the look of your chats consistent, whether you're working with a team, personalizing group conversations, or simply matching with friends. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can set your new wallpaper and instantly copy the link to share it with anyone on Telegram. This small but useful update makes personalization and sharing easier than before. Thanks for watching.